Hello everyone, welcome back to Nakshatra Rubiks. Today in this video we are going to learn how to make some basic patterns in 3 by 3 cube. Then why wasting time? Come on, let's make some amazing patterns using this 3 by 3 cube. You can see here I have already made few patterns in here. This is a cube in a cube in a cube pattern, and here is a windmill pattern which is a very common pattern you can see all over. So let us learn patterns on this cube using very basic algorithms. Come on, let's get started. Now the first pattern is cube in a cube in a cube pattern. You can hold any color your side. Here I am holding red on top, yellow in front of me and doing this algorithm. U prime, L prime, U prime, F prime, R2, B prime, R, F, U, B2, U, B prime, L, U prime, F, U, R, F prime. So here it is, cube in a cube pattern is ready with a very simple algorithms. So now the second pattern is anaconda pattern. So here again you can hold any color your side and do this algorithm. L, U, B prime, U prime, R, L prime, B, R prime, F, B prime, D, R, D prime, F prime. So here it is, anaconda pattern is ready. Now the third pattern is cross, all side cross pattern. For this again you can hold any color your side and start applying the given algorithm. R2, L prime, D, F2, R prime, D prime, R prime, L, U prime, D, R, D, B2, R prime, U, D2. Now you can see beautiful cross on all sides already. Here the next fourth pattern is twisted chicken feet pattern. And the algorithm goes F, L prime, D, F prime, U prime, B, U, F, U prime, F, R prime, F2, L, U prime, R prime, D2. Yes, here you can see twisted chicken feet pattern. Next, the fifth pattern is rocket pattern, and the algorithm for rocket pattern is U, R2, F2, R2, U prime, D, F2, R2, F2, D. So here the rocket pattern is ready. Now the sixth pattern is high pattern in the cube, and the algorithm for high pattern goes U2, R2, F2, U2, D2, F2, L2, U2. Now cube is saying hi to everyone. You can see here head, eye, hi, hi. All the side you can see head, eye, hi. Cube is saying hi to everyone. Now the seventh and the last pattern is C spirals. Now the algorithm for C spiral goes B prime, F prime, L2, D2, B prime, F, U2, R2, F2. Yes, you can see C spirals is ready. All the sides C spirals has been formed. Hope you all enjoy these pattern making tutorials. For more such tutorials, please like, share and subscribe the video. I'll get back with more such tutorials. Until then, take care. Bye bye.